In this video, you're going to get an insane amount of value. Trust me on this, because I'll be counting down the 5 best and completely free AI video tools out there. These tools have unlimited generations, require no credit cards, and have no subscriptions. That's right, they are 100% free to use. So give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you stay right until the end, because I will reveal my personal favorite tool that is by far the best on this list. And if you do stay, you'll see exactly why. All right, let's get started. Tool number 5, Vheer. Vheer is a free, unlimited AI image and video studio. What makes Vheer so special is the sheer range of what it can do. Whether you want to create viral skeleton short-form content, finance explainer videos, or full-on faceless documentary-style channels, Vheer handles all of it. Getting started is super easy. Google Vheer AI, create an account using your Google login, and you're in within seconds. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the text to image section. Drop in your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and generate. The image quality that comes out of this thing is fantastic, sharp, detailed, and incredibly realistic. But it gets even better. Once you have your image, click Image to Video, upload it, write a short animation prompt, adjust a few settings, and generate. In moments, and it's literally just moments, your video is ready. The video is smooth, polished, and it's completely free. My one issue with this first tool on the list, the videos don't come with audio, which is something the tools further down the list do. That's really the only thing holding this back. But visually, it is absolutely insane. Tool number 4, Digen AI. Open a new tab and Google Digen AI. You'll see it there, clearly labeled as the free AI video generator. Click on it. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that there are 2 ways to use this tool. You can either use it online through your browser, or you can download the app directly onto your device. And here's the beautiful thing. Both options work on any device. PC, Mac, Android, iPhone, it doesn't matter. For this demo, I'm using the web version. When you first land on Digen AI, you're greeted with this gorgeous interface packed full of templates. And I want you to take a moment here to watch a few of those template videos. Just take a look at the jaw-dropping quality. These videos look ridiculously professional and high quality. We're talking cinematic lighting, smooth motion, believable animation, the kind of stuff that would have cost you thousands of dollars to produce just a couple of years ago. Now let's talk about what this AI video generation tool can actually do, because Digen AI isn't just text to video. It also does image to video, and I'm going to demo both for you right now. First, text to video. I've grabbed some sample prompts from ChatGPT just to keep things clean and easy to replicate. I'm going to use a more complex prompt here. Create the prompt for a minimalist cartoon-style animated scene. I paste the prompt in, select my aspect ratio, let's go widescreen, pick the video model, set the duration, and hit generate. It's processing now, and there it is. Look at that. That animation quality is legitimately stunning. Clean lines, smooth movement, perfect cartoon aesthetic, and you can download it immediately. No watermark, no hassle. Now, let's switch it up and test the image to video feature. Say you've already got a set of images, maybe product photos, AI-generated artwork, anything, and you want to bring them to life. Super simple. You upload your image, write a short animation prompt describing how you want it to move, and hit generate. It might take slightly longer depending on your prompt complexity, but trust me, the result is worth every second of the wait. The motion feels natural, the quality holds up, and the creative possibilities are genuinely limitless. Tool number 3, Wan AI. Wan AI recently pushed out a major AI video generation update, and the new features are groundbreaking. We're talking lip sync video generation with your own custom avatars, epic and cinematic film scenes, character-driven stories and action sequences, dramatic dialogues, and much more. Trust me, the creative ceiling here is incredibly high. This is the kind of tool that not long ago would literally require a full production studio to pull off. First, let me show you the quality so you know it's worth the effort.
Kathy reported disturbing encounters with non-human entities, involving invasive medical examinations and fragmented memories recovered through hypnosis. Investigated by renowned ufologist Bud Hopkins.
Add your prompt, select your aspect ratio, and generate. Just insane. Audio included, cinematic quality, professional output, all completely free. Now, what you need to do is install Wan AI directly on your PC using a local tool like Pinocchio. This installs Wan directly onto your device, and when you run it locally, you get unlimited credits with no logging required. Your hardware does the work, and you never hit a credit wall. Tool number 2, Qwen AI. Qwen AI is a Chinese-developed alternative to Google's Veo 3, and honestly, when you see what it can do, you'll understand. You can also use it for both image and video generation. Head over to Qwen AI, click on the video generation section, sign in with your Google account, and you're dropped straight onto the main dashboard. Clean, intuitive, easy to navigate. Add your prompt and hit generate. It's completely free and unlimited. No watermarks, no credits, and it even includes audio. That puts it ahead of a lot of tools on this list, right there. Tool number 1, Arena AI. This tool is my absolute personal favorite and hands down one of the most powerful AI tools I've ever used. In fact, this tool is arguably the best AI tool out there. Trust me when I say this. Arena AI essentially operates as a testing ground for all the frontier AI models in the world. And because of that, you get to use Meta, Veo, Wan, Grok, and more, all for free on the same interface. Mind-blowing, right? Here's how it works. Google Arena AI, create your account, and once you're in, add your prompt. Click the video icon, hit generate, and watch what happens. You'll have access to multiple top-tier AI models simultaneously, and the results are absolutely jaw-dropping. We're talking studio-quality video output, complete with audio and natural dialogue, generated in minutes. Now, here's something that makes Arena unique. It generates 2 videos at once, 2 different interpretations of your prompt, side by side, so you can pick the best one or use both. That's a level of creative flexibility you just don't see anywhere else for $0. Let me run another one while I'm here. Add the prompt, hit generate, give it a moment, and incredible! The output is genuinely groundbreaking stuff. You can download it instantly, no watermark and no restrictions. And that's not even everything. Arena also has an image generation mode, and the quality there is equally jaw-dropping. I just want to reiterate this point. This tool literally does it all for free. Arena AI is my #1 pick, and it's not even close. If you only bookmark one tool from this entire video, make it this one. With these 5 tools working together, you can build virtually any type of channel you want. Each tool brings something different to the table, and when you combine them, you have a full content production studio in your hands, completely free. So hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the next video on your screen to see more AI tools.